Hi everybody, I'm back for another video and I'm trying to get the lighting set, but we're not going to have this here that long, so the glare won't be there that long. But as everyone can see, even though I said this was going to be a no-spend year, there were a couple of things that might have made their way in. This is one of them, the mystery unboxing, or this Foxy fix that I got. And I think I have a couple of things still I'm waiting on that I ordered before the new year. So you will see through the month of January and maybe into February, depending on how long. Like I have something that I've been waiting on for Foxy fix. I did receive my personal Rowena. And this is so cute, but I actually think I'm going to be giving this to a family member for a on-the-go planner. Yeah, so that's what this is going to be. But I wanted to do this unboxing because everyone knows, if you've seen my last few videos, that I've been using the A6 size. And Foxy Fix, I know, calls this a number 3. When I saw the mystery sale go up, I saw number 4, and because I had just gotten my personal size, I thought that was the size number that I needed. This is a number 4, but it isn't. So I'm not sure what's in here. I was thinking this, and after I pushed send, I went, oh no. I know I'm gonna get a beautiful notebook because it's coming from Foxy, but it's not the right size. So this is a journey. And so that's another thing that reminded me of, you know, being more mindful when I am on the internet about what I am purchasing. Because I was like, oh my gosh, there were thinking they were number 3s, but they're not. They're number 4s. Look, they had some, and I got to the sale a little late, and so I was shocked. Well, it's personal size. So all I did was cut this. I haven't looked inside. Let me just make sure I pull everything out but the paperwork. Okay, there's that. Ooh, okay. So what I had placed an order for was a number 4 in the, here, let me get rid of this glare. I had placed an order for a number, ooh, Spice Glacier. That looks really pretty. I got a sample for the Sage the other day, and I was like, oh, that's really pretty too. But no. I have enough notebooks. But, so, like all of Foxy's, they come with a couple of business cards, so that way you can hand them to people when they ask you, what is this beautiful notebook that you have? But here, wait, let's look at that again. I'm really partial to the spice leathers. I think it's funny because what I'm waiting on is a cedar, I think cedar. This one doesn't have as much of a smell. But let's take a look at this. So this looks like a Lush. It looks to be black. And it has brown stitching and brown elastic. Or is that, oh, there, wait, it has an embossing. Okay, this is, it has the, let me make sure I'm in the screen. It has the heart and it says Queen. That is too funny. I thought of getting that on a notebook a long time ago when they first came out, and I was like, oh, that's silly, that's silly. I was talking to the husband about that. But look at that. And I think that's that, is it rose gold? I can't tell. But this looks like a Lush leather. And you can see it has the reinforced spine in the back pocket. and it is in the personal size. And what I had placed an order for was the compact or wide. You'd get either choice, personal size, and it is so soft. I've never owned a Lush. I've owned, of course, the Wonderlust, the Bay, and all the stuff that came before, and the Spice, but never a Lush. And it's very suedey, very soft inside. And you'll see it has the crisscross pockets, 2 pockets on each side. I really like the design. And then it has the little card pocket. So if you want to put business cards, notes, receipts, like an ID on the go, you can put that there. Now, let me pop out a couple of things. Since it's the same size as this, this is a Rowena in the with the old pocket design, because they actually don't make the Rowena anymore. And it is a single elastic. And then here's like a monthly calendar. Did I? No, I haven't done anything in that. And a zipper pouch. So, yeah, so this is what we're going to give to someone. Anyways, I digress. So, here is a Peaky Dory design monthly calendar. It has the 2 pages of dot grid, and then it has the month on 2 pages. I chose the dot grid because I like the dot grid. I have made a couple for people that wanted like a grid insert, but I'm partial to the dot grid because it makes me feel like I'm in a bullet journal, hence the dot grid. But I know it's not for everybody, but so that actually looks really nice. And then this is a copy. It's not a real, oh, there's another Foxy jump in. I have those everywhere. Oh, I think that's the one that goes with this notebook. Here. Let me put that back in there. But see how I love this Rowena leather. I wish I would have gotten a number 4 in it. Or not a number 4, this is a number 4. A number 3 in A6 before it was discontinued. But c'est la vie. Okay. And here is a zipper pouch. This is a copy of the Farouf, the Traveler's Factory. Everyone always asks. I got it on AliExpress, and you'll see it holds a card that way or that way. The Foxy Fix ones are a little bit too long. Oh, there we go. But it will fit. But it will definitely fit like a driver's license or a credit card. And then, say that goes in there. And then you have a zipper pouch here, which I don't think I have anything in there. No, zipper pouch there. And then you have a little folder pouch there. So there you go. And that's an interesting, I have a color blindness when it comes to dark blues, dark grays, and dark blacks. So I'm thinking this is black, but then I think, well, who would order black with brown? I mean, that was something my grandmother told me. Never mix your black and your brown when you're wearing pants and shoes and all that stuff. I know it's like that. Don't wear white after, what is it, Labor Day or whatever. But I just thought I would share with you a cute little unboxing, and I think it is awesome that it says Heart Queen. That is wonderful, because I haven't gotten embossing on a notebook in years. One of the reasons is if I decided to sell it, you know, that might deter someone from either liking the size or liking the notebook. But this one I think I'm gonna hold on to because I think it is just great. It is so cool. And it's personal size, so maybe I'll find a reason to use this because it is a beautiful notebook. And I really don't see anything wrong with it for it being a, like I don't see an issue with the stitching. The embossing is beautiful. The only thing I can imagine is if like they had like the wrong thread when they were, you know, maybe they wanted a different color thread, or I really don't know, but I think it's beautiful. And you can see it's a nice, soft, flexible leather. Okay, so there you go. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below and I will link Foxy Fix so you can find, am I totally out of the screen? Oh good, I'm not. That's right, it's such a small notebook that it won't go out of the screen. Okay, thanks so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.